Alright, what's up guys? I'm back, no name here because I still haven't picked a name. Today I'm doing a quick release install on my steering wheel because, you know, I'm going to cars now. And as you can see, we got an NRG short hub. Just, you know, most of y'all should know about these, but yeah. I'll show you when we unbox them. This is a carbon fiber trim quick disconnect. Don't take it off. Not while I'm driving though, I'm not dangerous. And this right here, boys, is the wheel. It's a 7 Lante, which is VII, which is 7 in Roman numerals Lante wheel. I found them on eBay actually. Y'all can't call me out for cheating because these are expensive wheels. I think I paid, what was it? This is like a $175 wheel. I mean, compared to like Sparcos or whatnot, they're not bad. Or Vertex wheels.
Put it down in the middle.
Cut it in my finger. Yeah, I probably could cut it. I don't want to hurt the wheel.
You won't. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Alright, yeah, that's dangerous. Put that away. As you can see, cameraman Sean is back in action. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing it, so.
Now we can add bubble wrap to the title.
And as you can see, it's, it says 7 right there because their thing is 7 Lante. I don't know what it means, but I found it on Instagram too, and they're releasing a really, really nice wheel in like 3 months.
Please sponsor us.
Buying it. Oh yeah, definitely sponsor. Ooh, they did send it. Awesome. So,
show it off.
Yeah,
show
they
it.
sent me that Volante or CSL 7LanteUSA.com. Go to them, buy some wheels, steering wheels. They sell these things too and stickers, all kinds of stuff. So definitely gonna be repping that on my plates because I don't think I even have a plate holder. And oh my gosh, this box. Woo-hoo, as you can see right there, we got neochrome. Boys and girls, is that nice. Alright, let's open it because let's just open it. Wow. Wow. I'm speechless. This is beautiful. Way better looking than I thought. And there's my horn plugs.
You can see it glimmer in the light.
Let's see if I can get that lighting.
No, not here.
I got a glimmery wood grain wheel, like the outside, and then the inside is just neochrome spokes. I thought it would look good in my blue interior. It probably looks ricey as hell, but it's alright. I'm going full ricer with this car, guys. Next car is drift car. One day. Probably that one right behind you. Anyways, so I got a 2-inch deep, 350mm wheel. It's like, what, 13.7 inches this way. So it's a little bit smaller than my OEM wheel, but it works. And I didn't want to get a 3-inch deep because I'm tall. And my other one already sits like this, so a 3-inch deep would sit like here. That's just too close for comfort. So I got 2-inch, so it sit goodly. And we're going to install this bad boy today because I watched YouTube videos, so I know I'm an expert, guys. Trust the experts. And here we have the short hub. It's just, you know, a little black short hub. I need this to put it on the actual steering column of the car. That's that. And here we have the quick disconnects. And there goes the car passing by me. We have a NRG stickers. Heck yeah, tell you what.
Go ahead and show off. Flex for the camera.
The NRG sponsor me.
Ooh. Ooh.
Just put that there. I'll let them blow away. And this is my quick release. I did get a carbon fiber. I was gonna get neochrome, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna get a neochrome wheel because I didn't want to get an NRG wheel. So you can see carbon fiber trim. I believe it's real. Don't quote me on that. It looks legit. I mean, it actually looks like it's carbon fiber clear coated. It's not fake wrap. Anyway, so yeah, we'll install this. I should have all the tools. If not, I got a toolbox back in my car. I don't know what these do, guys. It wasn't in the video. Maybe in trouble. I don't need those. Alright, so yeah, let's get right to it. After looking around, I think I know how to take my wheel off. I don't know. So, yeah, there should be, mine has 3 screws right here that's holding the horn plate on, which I think 2 of them are already gone because I don't think it should pull like that. Come here and look, if you would. As you can see, it's that's a bright sun. It's kind of loose at the top. So I think all I have to do is take the bottom one out. And then there's usually, a big giant bolt like a 15 in there. You have to take off to take the wheel off. So let's do this. As you can see, this is my toolkit. I bought it myself. I got stickers, racing junk, NHRA tuned in Tokyo. You know what I'm talking about. Element for that skateboarding people.
More people to hopefully sponsor us.
God. All right, here's a screwdriver. So this maybe works. All right, this is gonna be difficult, guys. I'm too tall.
Gotta put the chair in the back seat.
Motherfucker.
We're gonna have to censor that part out.
Can't be cussing. Can't be cussing. I didn't cuss. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, this
It's okay, we'll put dolphin noises over it.
This is
I'm still recording this, I want you to know.
I can see it. Oh man. All right, I'm taking one out. I'm just taking all three because they're all in there, but just taking all three screws out just to be safe. I have to take a poop, guys. Oh, my neck hurts too. This isn't working, guys. This is not
TMI.
If you have to go poop, don't do this. Do that first.
Do you need help?
But I needed to do this for the video.
Do you?
Am I on there? Am I in yet?
Oh my god.
I think so.
Gets in the most uncomfortable position before doing all this.
I'm actually quite comfortable. What are you talking about? My neck kind of hurts. Let me turn that light off.
I don't know if you did, but I got whiplash from yesterday.
I think I did too. My neck hurts. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I'll throw some clips of it in. My little town had a drift meet yesterday. And yeah, me and my cameraman went, and our racer friend who actually plastic dipped his wheels lime green, guys. He write in the comments how dumb he is, so we can prove it to him he is. Just told him to buy green wheels. He doesn't listen.
We'll throw that in there too, so he has to do more editing, because I'm an asshole.
Oh my gosh, is it coming out?
Do you need me to do this?
I can't see it. Alright, I think I did pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my nose. Alright, finally going to the last screw. Oh, this one's tight. That's what she said.
Yeah, Josh Jr. over here.
Oh, got a nose like fellers. Is my head on the gear shifter? It is, isn't it? Oh
Yes.
my gosh.
Ooh.
I don't know if it's supposed to move them like that.
I'll grab it.
Oh, guys, this is difficult. Now my neck really hurts. I'm doing it for the video. Mother. Oh, I'm gonna need
Do
to go
it for the views.
I'm gonna need to go to the chiropractor for this. I love how every little YouTuber says that till they get big. Do it for the views. Oh, guys. Okay, here we go. You should probably disconnect the horn first, which we didn't do.
Ruh-roh.
Wait, since I'm done here, let me see if the horn fuse is done. ECU, engine, ignition, gauge, tail wiper, cigarette fogger, sun life, turn signal, ECU. Okay. Sean, if you would mind, take them and go, kind of pop the fuse out of the horn, please, while I get out of here. Go do the fuse. You're not looking at my butt. Why, Sean? Like my orange shocks, guys. If you do, give me a like. Alright, guys, after 10 minutes of Sean not being able to find the horn fuse and open my hood, I got it off so it doesn't blow the horn, and I think, just cut the right off, guys. See that?
Oh, neat.
And then all I have to do to actually take it off is unbolt this lock bolt, which, let's figure out where it is. Trusty tool kit. I got it myself, guys. $50 Black Friday at Walmart. Can't go wrong. They're all black, so you can't be racist either. Let's hope it's a 14. That's not a 14.
Bigger or smaller?
It's 17. Yeah, I just noticed I don't have a 16. That's messed up. It's not a 17. Uh-oh.
It's a 16, isn't it?
It better not be a 19.
Ruh-roh.
Alright, 3/4 is bigger than the 18, so let's try that. Alright, 3/4 I believe is about the same as a 19, so it'll work, guys, even though every bolt on this car is JDM. And I need an extension. I don't have all my dad's tools, so leave me alone.
Trusty toolkit.
It's like 20 10 millimeters. I swear to you,
You can't have too many 10 millimeters.
Oh my god.
Alright, my boy's gonna have to go Alaskan bullworm on this.
Got it. And that just slides off, guys. So I believe this is the only bolt that you have to worry about. Oh, keep this bolt because they don't come with them in the steering wheel. And then this, if I'm not mistaken, should.
There's 2 screws. I don't know if you noticed that.
There are 2 screws, but are they going in anything?
No, don't look like it.
Let's take those
Maybe
out.
instead of breaking it, we should try and get a screwdriver.
What up?
Phillips.
All right, let's just try this. Let's just be safe, you know, guys. Be smart, not stupid. I've already broken half the things on here because I was stupid and didn't want to look up how to do it. Nice job. Y'all like my Smurf hat? I think that's gonna be my thing. I'm gonna wear a different hat every day, guys. I'm gonna try to. Yeah.
You're getting frisky on this thing. It's an Alaskan bullworm. There it goes. Nice.
Here, take my phone. I'll hold the video. Switch with me.
It zoomed in randomly, by the way.
Where
There
does
we
it zoom
go.
in randomly? Hey guys, what's up? So this is what the inside of my car looks like. I have a new dash, which I think we might do a video on that. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Sean, get a picture of me holding my wheel like this. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second, guys. Oh, by the way, I am filming with a, what am I filming with?
HTC
HTC One M9. I traded my old iPhone for it. Pretty good. Also got $100 out of it. So. Oh crap, posing.
You got a nut face.
Here, wait, go to Snapchat. Save that one.
We'll just edit it.
All right, go to Snapchat.
I'm already on it.
All right, get a video of me pulling this thing off. You ready? You on the video?
I'm already videoing it.
Muscle, guys. All right, guys, I'm back on the video. He's still videoing me. Anyways, so yeah, that's all you gotta do. Take this off, and these splines should be there. So let me just move all this plastic crap. I don't need it anymore. Sean, if you would bring me the short hub, please. That was loud. The other reason I wanted a quick release is because I'm tall. So as you can see, my knee is like that far from the thing, and my seat's all the way back. So a wheel doesn't help me much.
Okay, I was right the first
Need the
time.
tools for this, buddy. And this what you do, guys. It's right here. Sorry for me putting the camera down. Let me focus. All right, see this SRK21? It's for my car. So all you got to do, basically, is all you have to do is oh, when you put it on, because the splines line up, you have to make sure the NRG logo is on top, and it should just. There you go, cameraman.
Cameraman.
I think that's on, guys. Don't quote me on that.
I'm quoting it.
All right, Sean, if you would, can you go hook up my horn so we can test this real quick and get the horn tested?
All right, Captain.
All right, Captain. Let's video him doing that. Oh, that Beamer right there should be mine soon. It's my brother's, but one day. Anyway, so yeah, let's make sure the horn works. I don't know how to. I really don't know how this. I think it goes on. It doesn't look like it goes much further. It's the big silver one, buddy.
I know.
See if we can get it close up. It's not a bad camera, guys. Oh yeah, see that burn on his face, guys? He throws gasoline on a
I'm a jackass.
yeah, here, take that back. See if this works.
Bingo.
It works. All right, go take it back off.
Take this.
All right, so now that the horn works, I have a working horn like most people don't with a quick release. All right, guys, we're gonna. I don't know if that's gonna get on any tighter. All right, it's on there. All right, here you go. Now, next part is, guys, you got to take a quick release. You have to drop this thingy right here.
Hey, there's a dog.
That is Roxanne. Hang on.
Old Roxy. Now we can put dog in the title too. It's more views.
Anyway, so yeah, if you come look here, right here, I got it disconnected. What you do is you take the NRG logo again, put it on top right here, get your hex bolts that come with it, and bolts it on, just like that.
I'm guessing this is where I
And
get
before
'em.
you do that, you should probably hook up these to these. You know, male to female, female to male. Y'all know they're connected. So when you do that, you know, you got it. You just put your bolts in, do that. And this is the bottom of the quick release, so when you take the wheel off, that's what's going to be left. This is the actual quick release, which I'm dumb and forgot to take this out. I believe that you have to take out. It's a little screw that prevents it from going back on correctly. Maybe I leave that in. No, because you're supposed to be able to just go like that, it pops out. So yeah, I think I got to take that off. And I don't know if I have a Torx that small. Or a hex, Allen wrench, whatever it's called. I also keep my Allen wrenches in the thing so I can make my car louder and not louder. Anyways, let me take that.
Bonk. Would you be dull and hold this?
Oh, what are you doing? Okay.
Getting
Oh yeah. Just bring all the boxes next to my feet.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I need to wash my car, guys, but it's been raining and muddy, so it's gonna get dirty anyways.
Hashtag rally.
Hashtag rally car. My new air freshener from Tuner Crate. Shout out Tuner Crate. I should be ordering the Eliminate box this month before 19th because I love Eliminate. Shout out to y'all boys. And I'll throw in that clip too. I saw one of the guys at the Drift Meet yesterday repping Eliminate plates, or you know those plates, those thingies. What are those things called? Sean, stop popping bubble wrap. Oh God. Okay, guys, this is gonna be sweet and a lot easier to take my dash off. Right, buddy. Yeah, those. No, not those. Not yet. I need these first.
Well, Captain.
Captain, my captain.
You lost the parts, didn't you?
Oh no, that just pops on. That's right. I'm correct. Okay. So I gotta take these. Guys, open these slow so you don't lose it. I'm gonna guess these little pieces of metal are spacers. In case you want the wheel out further. Don't quote me on that either, because I don't know, but...
Could be a gasket.
To what? What gasket is here? Oh, more stickers in this box. Cool.
Please sponsor us. We're thirsty.
Yeah, we need money. Alright, so basically take this. Male to female, guys. You know what the whole thing is, I think. Hope so. I think that's it all the way. Also doing a brake job because my brakes are coming on Valentine's Day. So I'm getting brake jobs for Christmas or my Valentine's. I'll be doing those Thursday. I don't know when I'm posting this because I don't know when my computer will be ready to edit, but it's all good. And it should look something like that, I think. I'm losing nuts over here.
Trying to be funny.
And that should be good. So use the Given Allen wrench. I hope the Given Allen wrench works.
You should use. There you go. Doesn't it make your life so much easier?
I don't. It's not straight up and down, but my alignment's off. So hopefully that's fixed when I fix my alignment. It's pretty dang close. Oh, there's also dots on top of the. I'm not taking that out. See the little dot right there?
Focus.
There he goes, right there. They have that on that and the short hub that tells you where to put it because the dots go on top. I have watched quite a few videos on these. I've watched, you know, that dude in blue do it, and it looked simple. But if he can do it, I can do it.
You saying he's dumb?
No, I'm not. No, YouTube drama. No. I don't want YouTube drama. I only have 20 subscribers.
Hey guys, Drama Alert Nation here.
Hi, Josh. There's my brother walking out.
What?
I'm on YouTube. I'm doing my video.
Oh. What's
Did
up,
you look at my
YouTubers?
wheel?
I bought it from you, didn't I? Oh, that.
You bought these.
It's purple?
It's neochrome.
Oh, it's like the Camaro?
Yeah.
Now I can put reaction in the video.
No. This is kind of cool. Is that a horn button?
Oh, and it came with a plate too, which is nice.
For what?
License. Get sponsored.
Oh, that's cool. How much was this?
170 or something. It's cheap compared to like Vertex.
By the way, the other one was $175. That was the cheaper one, remember?
Oh, okay, that one was $150. Plus $25 shipping, it's still $175.
What kind of metal and plastic is that?
It's wood, painted wood. And it's you're making.
Looks like someone might get one.
Some kind of steel, I forgot. There's more colors too. I want to get the one that's coming out in like 3 months. It's
By the way, I need you to move
Galaxy.
your car.
Are you leaving here in a second? Josh, it may take a little bit. I don't have a wheel right now, buddy.
I'm leaving in 20 minutes.
You could just do it the old school way and turn it like that.
You really can. Okay, Josh. I think we'll be.
How
done.
badly do you need to leave?
Well, I've been planning all day to leave at 6, so.
I think we can do this in 20 minutes, guys. What do you think? This is gonna be a long video.
I'm just here to record.
And moral support.
You're a faggot.
Stop making me filter stuff. I'm gonna have to put community age has to be 18. Nobody at school can watch me.
It's okay, we'll just make fake accounts.
Oh my gosh, me and Bunch, we were watching somebody play PUBG today, guys. And well, Bunch had an argument because the guy got stuck. We were watching. Who were we watching? Spreezy.
You're acting like I was in there.
Anyways, yeah. So we were commenting, and we kept getting banned. So we kept logging in everybody's account and getting banned off of it. He goes, "Preston is back, bitches."
Now you go to censor yours. Oh, it's a quote. It doesn't have to be censored.
Yeah, it's a quote. Alright, it feels nice and secure, I think. Let me just go around. Actually, I'm gonna tighten it like tires. Gotta do that start pattern. That's good, guys, I think. It looks secure. I'm gonna guess that these are spacers because they're only bolted. That's the only place I think you can bolt them. Actually, you know something? Let's go to my car. This
Bonk.
is not lined up right, is it? I don't know if you're supposed to be able to turn that. Oops. Oh, you can to adjust it. Guys, it's not how that happens. Don't.
Well, we're gonna have to double the length of the video.
I messed up somewhere, guys.
I don't think you put the nut back on. Let's go ahead and look at this face of disappointment. Now he's playing with himself down here.
Do I have to take all those back off?
Yeah.
Don't do that, guys. Remember to put the nut back on.
You're gonna start another channel for cutting into things, I'm guessing? Off the record recording. Hey, there's a dog.
Wild habitat.
Bark. Will you love me?
Yeah, sure.
Hey.
Wanna smell it?
We can put dog in the video now. It's not clickbait if it's true.
Okay, out. She's got hair.
Oh, come on, puppers. Who's our good girl?
Okay, guys, we're gonna restart this. I forgot to put the bolt back on. Okay, so you line up the splines. Or you put the energy on top. See? Oh, here's the dimple.
This is definitely the first time we're doing this. Look, there's a dimple that we've never seen before.
Yeah. Put that at the top, and you just
Bonk it on there.
bonk it on there.
Now
And that nut that you were supposed to remember to keep.
you put it
tighten
on
that
there.
now.
We did not learn this from experience 2 seconds ago.
No, we did
Actually,
this.
2 minutes ago.
We learned this from YouTube.
Yes, we did this first time, no edits.
I knew there was for something I forgot to put on.
Shh, they don't know that. We can just edit around it.
Oh god.
You might want to flip that. There you go. Oh,
I could turn the wheels.
nice.
I don't know how tight was this.
I don't know how tight it was.
Well, I locked the wheel, so it's got to be good, right?
Yeah, because you had to put all your back into it to get it off.
Oh God, guys.
I was gonna get the exhaust, but something happened over here.
Are you ready?
You ready?
I'll give y'all an exhaust thing without my silencer. Hey, I can't.
I'm waiting.
I can't come back.
This dude.
Okay, got it. It got stuck in that position. All right, go back there. We're gonna do the exhaust. You ready? Sounds pretty good for a 1.6 four-cylinder, I'll tell you what, with a carbureted engine. So far, I've been pulled over once, guys. Took me a year, but I finally got pulled over.
I still haven't.
It was for wreck. I don't know how you drive one.
For careless driving is what you got pulled over for because you pulled your e-brake.
I pulled my e-brake because my brakes were iffy. Because you know, that's why I'm replacing them, because they're like 10 years old. It's alright, guys. So I just used my e-brake and I might have taken the corner excessively. I did not go sideways, it's front wheel drive, but it was leaning and I thought it was my friend behind me. And a cop.
Not me.
Anyways, alright, that's on. Come here. Am I doing this right? It's on.
Yes. You're A-okay. Oh, do we need to test the horn for the first time too?
Nah, we'll hope for the best.
Alright. Ground to ground.
Male to female.
Positive to positive.
Wrong way, guys. Don't do that. Opposite always. So then we're going to cut these wires in here. Redo this. Our 6 bolts. I can speed these up, right?
Yes.
So we might figure it out.
We'll like slow down whenever you start talking on something funny. Here's where we'll edit music into it. Oh yeah, we can't get copyrighted.
So if I started singing, would I get a copyright for singing?
If you sing the word for word, yes.
Some of what I gotta do, the superhuman innovative Sue me, Eminem, sue me. That way I can.
Or sponsor us.
Or sponsor, yeah. I could eat some M&Ms. That's what we're talking about, right?
You can just play his music in the background and get paid for it.
That'd be lit. Lemonade boys don't get copyrighted. Why should I?
Because they play royalty-free music. And
No,
you...
I don't.
You're not supposed to say that.
I'm just kidding. I know where they get it. They get it from SoundCloud. Therefore, it is royalty-free. Did you know that? All SoundCloud music is royalty-free.
Go follow my boy Young Rose.
Oh, yeah. Y'all
Not him, but
You know Luke raps?
yeah. I heard he's not bad.
It's not actually bad. Oh, he made it with Joe, so that's why. Teal actually makes okay music, so he knows how to edit and crap. Rose doesn't. Yeah, we have two. There's quite a few people at our school, guys, that rap.
Okay, everyone that is not white has a SoundCloud account.
Everyone.
And the two that do...
They're high all the time, so. Where's she going?
She's going around the house.
Alright, here we go. There's that one. Last one coming on. Get more right over here.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm getting one on my front porch. You think I'm fucking joking?
That's more editing I have to do
Oh.
right there.
My apologies. My apologies, fam.
What word is that? Clear them? Bush them? Censor them, that's the word. Why did I think that started with an S? Gotta make sure they're nice and tight.
I zoomed in perfectly for that.
Did that in my tongue or my face?
Both.
Alright, that's tight. Get my oil nice and pumping right.
Alright.
Energy low is back on top. Alright, take this again.
No, for the first time.
Take this.
Yeah, totally legit. First time.
Where's the wheel?
No second cuts. Josh had it over here. I believe you need this, good sir. And I'll get the rest.
Oh. Guys, dangerous. Don't use a knife when doing this. You know about that?
You sure we have the screws in here?
Oh, they're in there. Cool.
Let's go ahead and show them for a face reveal. Yeah. Oh, they're in there. Well, shit. I mean, crap.
I think this has been sitting in storage for a while. Nice and sparkly. Wow, that's gonna be good.
Hey, look. I got it for you. Now we don't have to worry about losing them.
Ow, don't scratch it. I did not just scratch it.
Hasn't even had this for 2 hours.
Shh. So I gotta buy a new one in like
3 days.
I don't know, is it tight? Oh, I can just pull it up. What am I doing? Not in me. In my misery.
Or support us by liking the channel and following us.
That too. Oh, don't go in my crotch.
Go ahead and say the Insta. Go ahead.
At no airbags, we die like real men. Stickers coming soon.
There's already stickers for it.
Shut up. I'm gonna make cool ones.
You make cooler ones. There we go. Don't forget to join PTCC.
That's my Ricer's friends car group. He wants to make big stickers for our car. You know,
It's
like
gonna be in
when-
Weeaboo.
Yeah, we're gonna put it Japanese print. He wanted to go droopy print. You know, like drippy, like it's
'Cause-
wet and dripping. But yeah, I thought that was pretty gay, cause he likes wet, drippy stuff. All right, are these the ones I use? I'm gonna guess so. Yeah, I'm gonna get new soft. What is this? Hardware, so I can get black stuff because I like all black. And my new dashboard. I showed you my new dashboard. I'm done. Yeah, that's going in. When's that going in? Next week when we got a week off. Heck yeah.
Here's the dash now.
Oh god. It just came out. It's not good.
Oh, Captain, my Captain.
Why? And there you go. A nice horn button. That's a nice solid ring. Feel that. Feel it. God, don't drop it.
I got it.
It's nice and solid. I like it.
It's hard like the abs I don't have.
Oh, it's got finger grips on it too. God, that's not good. Alright. Oh my gosh. That is a lot farther out. I'm glad I didn't get a 3-inch. I got a 3-inch.
No, it'd be more than that.
Is that straight?
Now. Yes. Now.
Shut up.
My job is to confuse them. That's why I'm getting fired in a while.
Where's the box? We need the stuff.
I already got the stuff out of it. It's right here.
Where's it? Where is it? Alright. Oh, Allen. It does come with an Allen. What am I doing? I'm in my life. Alright, this looks like a horn connector to me.
So we had a horn connector for the horn connector.
Because the aftermarket wheels is lit.
And we also had another horn connector for the other horn connector.
How does this go work?
How many YouTube videos did you watch on this?
I didn't watch one on Volante's thing. Oh, cool. That works better. Okay, and slide that over so the metal doesn't touch when you're riding. So I'm gonna guess that's for. And that's on. Now you have a nice safe thing, so when you press the horn, it doesn't keep beeping. Oh, guys, y'all should try one time pranking your friends, putting their brake lines on their brakes.
Or you can just cut the brake lines. That works too, right?
No, I gotta put the horn on the brake. That's how they ever stop. We're not cutting the brakes. We're not killing people, Sean. No, I'm not killing people. Don't cops, please don't come looking for me. Oh, I had a really nice cop, by the way, guys. I liked him.
It's because he understood how women drive.
Sean. Sean.
I'm joking. I'm joking. Brittany Force, please marry me. We need some Simon and Garfunkel right now. You look lost. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, this is a horn delete kit. No, I don't need that.
So we put 2 minutes of us doing that, and now we're about to do 2 minutes of us taking it off because we didn't need it. Slide it back, pull it off. There you go, you pulled out.
Oh, so you just do that. I'm smart.
No, my hands are cold.
Okay, then you put that. I'm guessing just, I don't know if this matters. Just gonna guess put it on one of them. Here, go put the thing back on, make sure this works.
Here you go, good sir.
Oh no, let me finish putting it on. Oh god, that's not the hole. There it is. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Twerk twin, if you're watching this.
I love you.
Shout out.
Golly, just this part's been 13 minutes. It's gonna be like a 30-minute video. Is he doing it right? I can't tell. I think he is. Horn works. Alright.
I need to take it out.
Yeah. I'm gonna be pressing it quite a bit. Here we go, guys. Just move all the dust. Sean, take the thing.
Howdy, y'all. I'm
Guessing
ugly as shit.
now you just tuck those in somehow without breaking them.
You put it in the hole.
You need a lot of wire to tuck in.
Okay. There we go. We bottomed out finally. Oh, never mind. He pulled out.
Guys, don't be dumb. Put this in first. Be smart.
Define smart.
Not me.
Opposites, opposites, fam. What's the point of putting that one on?
They'll hold the horn down while I put the wires on it. See? I'm sometimes smart. And all I have to do is take that back off.
Struggle cam. Monk. You can actually really see the wheel right here. Looks real nice.
You see all the fingerprints on it too. Alright, basically, what I'm gonna do, think, get one of these.
Get a starter.
Tuck all of those in there so the horn does not come off. It's getting me
That was the car that farted, not him.
I don't fart.
He queefs. Hey, that's user friendly, okay?
Guys, this is difficult.
Alright.
And then you gotta line up all 3 holes. That's great. Okay. This is not user friendly.
This is about to end up like the cursing wrench.
Got it on.
Get a bottom one now. Go ahead. I'm guessing something's not right. Wiring's probably falling out.
Well, it's gonna be stuck in there today.
Oh. If y'all are curious, the light that's on, it's an open door.
Which one?
For the open door.
I don't have check engine lights on. I don't even know if I have check engine light.
Of course you do.
Yeah, I do. This is the hardest.
Vroom vroom. I mean my mom's car. Get out me car. Oh.
The mom. Oh gosh.
Okay. Crotch cam.
Get out my crotch. You can't realize.
I was gonna say something for vroom vroom, but it's not user friendly for sure. A little cheater technique for all you learning mechanics. I think your phone just vibrated in my pocket. Or mine did.
Probably mine.
Yeah, my phone never gets anything. It's dry like the Sahara Desert.
Except for Torque Twin.
It's actually a really good spot for showing off your wheel. Hey!
Brother's back. Probably wants to move his car. Well.
Just drive straight back.
I will.
Guys, we're almost there. One more bolt. We gotta test the horn. This is not lined up right at the moment. It's okay.
We can get that in a later video. Right? Or with the next wheel that comes in 3 months.
Where my alignment? I'm scratching so much.
I didn't get to record the face he made when he was looking at his oil.
You just changed it.
You know, whenever teachers give you really small words to read, that was the face he made.
When you give teachers small words to read.
Get back to the professional cram angle. I think your mom's texting because it's buzzing more than once.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Go ahead and show them from the front. I thought you were going to grab this so I can
I forgot something.
reconnect the horn. You forgot to take that out, didn't you? No?
Now y'all see that right there? I forgot to take that out.
It's fine, right?
No, I forgot to take that out. I'll do that after the video. I gotta move my car for my brother. But
Woo! Maybe that's so you don't accidentally do it while you're driving.
no, it's not.
Here, take this.
Actually, probably should move everything. Hold up.
Or don't take it, you know.
Did you stop it?
No.
Why did you not stop it? Alright guys. I might come back and edit that to put so I can show you how to do that. But other than that, yeah, that's the install. Thank you, Volante, Volante, whatever you. I don't know how to pronounce it. But yeah, it looks a lot nicer than that old wheel. I got my horn disconnected. Next thing coming is I think it's dashboard and speakers.
Disconnected.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll edit it if I come back to it. All right. Bye, guys.